Westland Finest chilling in front of my house. They laying down right in front of my house. Dude, they just laying there. Why these dumb fools that drive that truck right there, yeah, that truck, four of them idiots driving that truck is up there digging out the damn fire truck. And the five people, that's 1, 2, and 3, laying there chilling. See, he just waving to them. Y'all having fun?
You guys can go sit in our unit if you want for a while. It's gotta be warmer than what it is right back here.
It's
cold. Go sit in our unit for a little bit.
Oh, damn, I didn't see the other chick. Look at him. Look at him, that's the... Oh, that's my neighbor over there. She inviting them over for some hot cocoa. I don't have no hot cocoa, sorry. I ain't got nothing hot in here, but he just fair. They getting hot chocolate, but I'm getting y'all on video. Now, they going to get hot chocolate while these fools up here digging them out. Boy, I tell you. Snow, snow, and snow. And my man right there, he just chilling. He just chilling. I hope he wrapped up real tight. Wow. This thing is so hilarious, dude. It's ridiculous. And they gone over in my neighbor's house to get some hot cocoa. Yeah. I will offer them hot cocoa. Hold on, let me. Sweetie, did you buy hot cocoa? Oh, we have no hot cocoa. Sorry, we can't invite them in for hot cocoa. We have anything hot? Water? No, I don't think they want hot water. No, the neighbor across the street invited them over for some hot cocoa. Yeah, they ran over. And just a thought, I didn't even want to move right here because it was a corner house and all this traffic and noise and all that keeping me up at night. Boy, I'm glad I changed my mind. You're gonna have to call somebody else, baby, because they can't respond to the call. Cause they're stuck. Oh man, we got trucks and everything just still driving down here. So there are some dumb idiots that is out in this snow driving. Seriously. Wow. Well, let's put it like this. That thing that's covered up right there ain't moving. It's gonna be there. Trust me. Now look at this fool. Where the hell he coming from? Boy, I tell you. Mm, mm, mm. It's not working. Wow, they're gonna need a serious tow truck. Wow. I mean, they seriously, literally, they are seriously digging, dude. Man, I can't believe, man, that these folks, the fire truck is stuck. Oh my god, that's the ambulance over there? Yep. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. That's all I gotta say, man. It's just wow. And I guess they abandoned their vehicle. I guess they said the heck with it. We gone. Who gonna steal our truck? Who gonna steal the truck? Woo! Lord Jesus. Oh, nope, they didn't leave. That he got right there. There they go. Wow. Well. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. Look at that snow, man. My man said he don't care no more. He gonna walk back to the station. He said, I'm gonna walk back to the station. I don't care. Well, fam, Facebook family. Please don't be out there. Wow. This is something. Man, look at my man. They back. He back. Mm, mm, mm. This is so funny. And just a thought, I was gonna try to come and dig myself out. I'm glad I didn't. Lord, I'm glad I didn't. Because like I said, that truck right there, that puppy ain't moving. Yep, look at it. Look at it. It ain't moving. They saying good luck. Wow. Wow, it's like that. Jesus Christ, they just gonna leave these folks banded and stranded.